Good morning. Today we are dealing with a gutter issue. We got an emergency call from a customer from Easton, Massachusetts, and she have an issue when the water is traveling behind the gutter. I like you folks to pay attention and look. There is a missing flashing between the gutter and the drip pad, allowing the water to cause behind the gutter and then cause property damage. And I want to get your guys' attention regarding this gutter only have one downspout. That makes it difficult for proper water draining. So we recommend replace with a bigger gutter, install the gutter flashing, and add another downspout. That will increase the volume of exit water. This is Ferreira company. Thank you for watching.